Today's Ask the Expert is sponsored by Pineview Medical Clinic, a clinic that is open here in St. Louis and treats ED with one of the most effective treatments in the country. Joining me is Andrew Reinhardt from Pineview Medical Clinic. Andrew, thanks for being here with us today.
Hello, thanks for having me.
Of course. And Andrew, some of the technology that you all have at Pineview Medical Clinic really is the latest breakthrough for men who struggle with ED. Tell us all about it.
Well, that's right. We know that technology has changed pretty much every aspect of our life. It's now changing how we treat erectile dysfunction. Men are pretty used to the pill, all the headaches, the blurred vision that go along with that. I'm yet to meet a man, frankly, that enjoys the pill. Pineview Medical Clinic uses acoustic wave therapy. Here's what it does. The technology delivers very gentle pressure waves into the blood vessels, causing those shriveled up and dying blood vessels to regrow and open up. Clinically, we can improve circulation enough that we can get rid of the erectile dysfunction at its core. And here's my favorite part. No pills, thank goodness, no side effects, and no needles.
Andrew, I love that. You said the shockwave therapy is needle-free, it's surgery-free, and it's drug-free. Your procedure is also backed by so many different studies and publications. What are some of those?
That's right. This is heavily vetted technology. If you go to pineviewmedicalclinic.com, you can read 50 third-party studies. Cambridge University, most people have heard of them. The Cleveland Clinic, that's one of the biggest hospitals in America. They went out, they tested this on men with even severe erectile dysfunction. They showed it to be safe, effective. One called it the new standard of care for ED. The science is so sound, in fact, that I think the pill will someday be a thing of the past.
Well, Andrew, ED is a serious medical condition, but there's hope. Tell us about the difference between what you all are doing at Pineview Medical Clinic versus other traditional methods that are available on the market.
Here's the big difference. For 30 years, men have used pills and injections. Those are a Band-Aid. They treat the symptoms of ED. They don't actually fix the problem, so a man becomes a prisoner to that process. Our technology goes to the root cause, that is, damaged blood vessels and restricted blood flow. So we repair those blood vessels. It's a physical solution. Men don't have to turn to the pill over and over again. It's spontaneity. The intimacy can be restored, and the blood flows in the bedroom where you want it, when you want it.
Getting to the root cause and not just covering up with a Band-Aid. No pills, no invasive injections or surgery. That is pretty incredible. Give us a breakdown of how the technology actually works.
Well, if you think about what happens to a muscle in the gym, we agitate the muscle a little bit, it regrows and opens up. Even though you won't feel that, that's what we're doing to the blood vessels. We're causing them to regrow. This is known as neovascularization. And frankly, whether you have erectile dysfunction or not, who doesn't want a little more blood flow in the bedroom?
And Andrew, is there any recovery time for this procedure?
Zero recovery time, zero side effects. We call it the lunch break treatment. You can come in on your lunch break. You'll walk out feeling totally normal. There's no needles and no chemicals, so men feel very little, and the treatments are quick and easy.
Get in, get out. Andrew, do you have any special offers for our viewers that are at home watching today?
We have enormous value today. If you're ready to put a stop to your ED, or if your man is struggling, that phone number on your screen, call us before this segment ends, over about the next minute, and the exam, assessment, and blood flow ultrasound will be free, plus a gift that can produce immediate results in the bedroom. I think you'll love that. Now, this is worth hundreds of dollars. Call us right now. It's all totally free.
Well, Andrew, thank you so much for sharing. If you or someone you know is struggling with ED, Pineview Medical Clinic will absolutely take care of you with their acoustic wave therapy. You can make your appointment today, and we'll make sure you have access to all that information on our website at studiostl.tv. Hey, don't go anywhere. We'll have a lot more of the show in just a couple of minutes.